In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva design to Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process, from downloading your design in Canva to uploading it into Shopify and finally placing it on your store using your theme editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your Canva creations into live content on your website. First, let's start in Canva. Open the design you want to use. This could be a banner, an icon, a product image, or even a video. Once your design is open, go to the top right corner and click on the Share button. In the menu that appears, select Download. Now you'll choose the right file format. If your design is more of an icon or something that needs a transparent background, select PNG. If it's a photo-based banner or an image that doesn't need transparency, JPG is usually the best choice because it keeps file sizes smaller. If your design is animated or a full video, choose MP4. In this example, we'll go with MP4 because we're going to add it as a video banner on the store. Once you've picked the format, click Download and wait for the file to save to your computer. Next, we'll upload that file to Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Content, and under that, click on Files. This is where Shopify stores all the media you upload. Click the Upload Files button, find the Canva file you just downloaded, and upload it. Give it a moment to process, and you'll see it appear in your list of files. Now it's time to place this design on your storefront. Still in your Shopify admin, look at the left-hand panel again and click on Online Store. Under your current theme, click Edit Theme or Customize depending on what you see. This opens the Online Store editor. Inside the editor, look at the left side where your sections are listed. Click Add Section and choose a section type that matches the Canva file you created. For a video design, select a video section. Once the section is added, click on it to open its settings. Choose the option to use a Shopify hosted video, then select the Canva file you uploaded earlier. From here, you can fine-tune the section using the available options. Adjust things like headings, text, layout, and any autoplay or looping settings if it's a video. When everything looks good and you're satisfied with the preview, click Save to publish your changes. That's it. You've successfully added your Canva design to Shopify.